Welcome to 13386 Southwest Oasis Court, located in Crooked River Ranch. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home sits on 1 acre, has 1,224 square feet of living space, a great room layout, a nice view of Gray Butte, good landscaping, nice outbuildings. The detached 2-car garage is over 900 square feet, has shop space, is insulated, full concrete floor. There's a fenced backyard, woodshed. Everything's been repainted on the outside of the home and the shop. There's also full RV hookups down below. You can see where that trailer's parked. Those hookups are right there. The trailer's actually on the neighboring property, but the hookups are in that location. So to the left of the car, if you pull into that spot, you've got your connections. Lots of extra space for parking. If you needed to put more buildings up, lots of space right here to do that. Really set for additional parking at this time. Nice view from inside the shop garage as well. Good parking, and there's additional RV parking up beside the house. And behind this gate. So there's a gated RV parking area to the side. It could also be used as a dog run of sorts. And right behind the property line is Crooked River Ranch community property, so the privacy you have out back is not going to change. The home has a great covered back patio that leads into the home through a slider and through a utility room door. The greenhouse doesn't have its vinyl on right now, but is an awesome greenhouse. With the vinyl on, you have your fans for circulation, and it has great southern exposure. But one of the best parts is this privacy out back. Very few of the properties on 1 acre have as much privacy. Standing inside the front door, looking through the great room towards the kitchen, you can see there's a nice breakfast bar. It's an open design with vaulted ceilings. There's a monitor heater. It is mostly cadet heat throughout the house, but the monitor is the most efficient and affordable way to heat the main part of the airspace. And there is a ceiling fan to move that air around. Kitchen is spacious, lots of cabinet space. The front window has a really beautiful view of Gray Butte. It's nice elevation on this lot. Primary is spacious, and you can see the laminate flooring continues through to this space. There's a king bed that fits very comfortably, a nice window out the back. The primary bath is spacious, has a tub shower combination. And the vanity has lots of space. Guest bedrooms. Both good size. This one has a queen in it that fits easily. And there's a nice view through that window of Haystack Butte. Guest bathroom has the tile floor, tub shower combination, good size. Finally, the utility room that leads to the backyard has the water heater, washer dryer, storage, room for a stand-up freezer, and a dog door out the back. Just a very nice open floor plan with a good view and a nice shop garage.